Hey everyone, and welcome. Have you ever dreamed of building your own custom PC, but felt totally overwhelmed by all the parts and technical jargon? Trust me, I've been there. It might seem like a super complex puzzle for making a PC, but today, I'm going to show you that it's more like building with Legos for adults. We're going to break it down, step by step, so you can build your dream PC with confidence. Ready to make it happen? Let's get started. First things first, let's talk about the core components of PC. Think of the motherboard as the central nervous system of your PC. Everything plugs into it. Then you have the CPU, or the processor, which is the brain. For the CPU to stay cool and run efficiently, you'll need a CPU cooler. Next up is RAM or memory, which is like the computer's short-term workspace. For long-term storage, you'll need an SSD or a hard drive. For a PC, files and operating system will live. Now for the fun stuff. The graphics card, or GPU, is the powerhouse that renders all those beautiful visuals in your games and videos. All these components need electricity, which is where the power supply unit, or PSU, comes in. So we need a better power supply unit. Finally, you need a case for our PC components, which is keep it safe and organized. Choosing your parts is half the fun. So do your research based on your budget and what you'll be using the PC for. Now, let's get building. Start by installing the CPU onto the motherboard. Be gentle with those pins. Then, click your RAM sticks into place. After that, mount the motherboard inside the PC case. Next, install your graphics card into the correct slot and secure your storage SSD drives and power supply. PC, the final step is cable management. This can be a bit tricky, but take your time to route the cables neatly for good airflow. It's so satisfying when it's all clean and tidy. And that's it, you've assembled a PC. Thank you so much for following along today. Let me know in the comments if you're planning your own build, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay with Bright Path Tech.